Hello, Summer Bridge. Thank you for having me. I'm here to tell you about Mesa, Mathematics, Engineering, Science Achievement. My name is Megan Dorico, and I am the director of the program. I hope to give you enough information today to help you decide if you would benefit from joining us here at Mesa or using our tutoring Mesa services for free. So I'm going to share my screen with you so we can look at the presentation together. Mesa is an academic support program for STEM majors in the School of Science and Technology. Mesa has existed in California for 50 years. It's been at SSU for over a decade. Mesa centers are located at the UC, CSUs, and independent university campuses throughout California, as you can see on the map. Mesa prides itself on our academic community where students belong and thrive in our supportive academic environment. Here's our last semester Mesa group celebrating 100 members. Mesa meets weekly on Tuesday evenings for workshops and for group study sessions, where we learn study skills and encourage each other to foster a sense of community to reach both academic and personal goals. To understand the structure of Mesa, it's helpful to think of it like an umbrella. Mesa encompasses two student clubs, SACNAS and SHIP. They're both student clubs linked to national and international professional organizations for STEM majors. Part of the club activities are embedded within Mesa throughout the year. There are also other important programs like LSAMP and McNair that Mesa members are highly encouraged to join, and they usually do, although it's not required. There's so many benefits of being part of all or any of these programs, and Mesa is here to help you navigate them and refer you to ones that apply to you. Mesa benefits both members within Mesa as well as the greater Sonoma State campus. For example, tutoring and STEM Bites are available to anyone regardless of major. Over the course of one semester, we offer a total of 700 hours of free drop-in tutoring in about 30 science and technology courses. And I'll talk more about tutoring in a little bit. So going into more of the benefits of Mesa, advising is pretty straightforward of what to expect, as I as the program director would help you navigate your STEM major here at Sonoma State. And going back to tutoring and STEM Bites, these are some of the past topics that we cover. Some of them are content specific to the course, while others are more general and helpful information about how to study or navigating academics, like using time management. A member of Mesa is hired as a Mesa tutor to offer free tutoring to others and deliver STEM Bites. And the whole concept of STEM Bites is where instead of going to a tutor with a homework problem, the tutor actually presents on a topic that was helpful in that course. And it's bite-sized, meaning only 15 to 30 minutes, and it leads to students studying STEM smarter. So check out an example of a STEM Bite on our YouTube channel. It's up at I'll give you that link at the end. The other two benefits, actually three, of being an actual member of Mesa is the advising, the mentoring component in our honors program. As both the Mesa director as well as the advisor for the School of Science and Technology, I check in with students and help them navigate registration or managing their time throughout all their STEM courses. Our mentor program is well known throughout the School of Science and Technology, and I'll show you a little bit more of what that looks like in a minute. Our honors program is meant to recognize those students who go above and beyond in their major and within Mesa. They really strive to grow in personal, academic, and professional ways. So how do you know if you are eligible? Majors we serve include these 8 within the School of Science and Technology. We have seen tremendous growth in Mesa as word has finally gotten out how helpful it is to be a Mesa member. We are excited to continue to recruit and retain more members each semester. To be eligible, I'll mention specifically for this Summer Bridge webinar, all Summer Bridge participants who are part of these majors are eligible to join. Most members are first in their family to go to college or are receiving financial aid to attend college. Either of these also qualifies a student for Mesa. You can look at our demographics and where there's incredible strength in the diverse voices that make up the membership of Mesa. If you are interested in applying, you can navigate to the bit.ly link /Mesa Apply to go into the application. We will contact you about a week afterwards and set up an intake meeting with me. This is a picture of our most recent graduate, Jenny, and her brother celebrating with their Mesa stoles, which every graduating Mesa senior receives. Next, these are some photos of our tutoring, but fall, it won't look exactly like this. Instead, we have launched Zoom drop-in tutoring to meet the needs of our virtual fall semester. To show you what that looks like, this is our Zoom PMIs for each one of our tutors from spring semester. So this allowed any student that needed help in an SST course to drop in to the tutor study room and receive one-on-one tutoring from our Mesa tutors. Another benefit of membership in Mesa is paid research opportunities. Summer 2019 was the first year we offered paid summer undergraduate research positions to 7 students. They had projects that range from detecting sea kelp with sonar to treating winery wastewater, and then energy optimization in Indonesia. So a lot of really great projects that they later on presented at our SSU symposium. Like I've said, a big part of building community within Mesa is our peer mentoring program that helps first and second year students and first semester transfers persist in their STEM major. A mentor does not have to be a member of Mesa, but a mentee does. And a Mesa mentor is an academic and social role model who helps that mentee navigate their major while taking time to build that relationship, maintain trust, share their expertise, and most importantly, have fun. Finally, a lot of Mesa students are in the same classes, the ones that you're going to be in, Bio 130, Math 161, or CS 115. So we study together. Even with fall being virtual, we found a way to stay connected with our dedicated study room called Mesa Study. It's open 24/7 to students through Zoom. And finally, we offer trips to conferences. This is a great way to build professional development and network with both employers and students just like you across California. I wanted to leave you with the last 2 slides. The first one is a word cloud that demonstrates all the accomplishments of graduating 2020 Mesa seniors and what they're most proud of. And this really could be you in about 4 years. Our job here at Mesa is to make that happen and get you to a degree on time. With that, I'm going to stop here and give you all the information to connect with us or our website to receive information about our tutoring and all of our social media contacts. Just look for Mesa at SSU. So with that, thank you so much for having me.